Okay, now I will shift the camera and we will go to another way where, like, today we count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Does anybody know where these numerals came from? Who invented the numerals that we use today? The numerals, like 1, 2, 3. This numeral system, what do we call this numeral system?
This is Indo-Arabic.
In the world?
This is Indo-Arabic.
Yes, Hindu-Arabic, yes.
Indo-Arabic.
So basically, Hindus in India, they developed this. And then this reached Middle East, and from Middle East, it went to Europe. They started using this. Before this, they used to write Roman numerals. All the Europe, they were using Roman numerals. We will have a separate class for Roman numerals like 5, 6, and it is terrible system, really terrible of writing it. Try writing 2021 in this. You will go mad in this. And if you have to write a million, I want to do it. But people were using this for their trade, if somebody is carrying an army of 20,000, maybe 10,000 soldiers will go missing because they couldn't write it properly. Okay, this is one thing. Yes, Dan, very right. This is how it is written, perfect. Yes. And it is not easy for everybody. You have some special gift. This is why it is easy for you. A Roman is never easy for anybody. Check with your friends, they would go mad. If you show them the trick, they would consider you are the king of mathematics. Okay. Roman is never easy. If Roman were easy, then they would never need the current decimal system. They would stick to Roman numeral. Okay, before Romans, there existing another system that was by Egyptians. There is a similarity between Hindu-Arabic and Egyptian system because both use the same 10 base. In Egyptian also the same base is 10. So I will show you little of this Egyptian numerals and how they make numbers using this. I will shift the camera and then we will go to that word, the Egyptian word. Okay, just hold on, please. Okay. Here it is. Now I have to shift the camera. Yes. Okay. Because I decided to keep it on the floor. The problem is on the whiteboard, it is very difficult to manage. This is why I thought of keeping it here. There are very, very interesting characters here in Egyptians have a beautiful culture. They were like us Indians. They were beautiful people. They are beautiful people. But in the past, their culture is so rich. Their culture is so rich. You see, what would you call this?
Sir,
A person?
hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics.
See?
Hieroglyphics.
Awesome. I love these people. And this is a million. This is a million for them. It is as if this guy is raising his hands and saying, where did the million go? As if he has lost a million now. Just now he has lost it. Look. Does not it look like where did the million go? Vanish? Yes, it is a million. 10, 100. Oh, it is 1,000. Huh? This symbol is for 1,000. That is a million. Whenever they wanted to write a million, they would make this figure. They call it God. They call it a man with raised hands as if praying to God. Where is my million? Like that. So this is one. Okay. So this is a million. Abhi, can you check if my voice is okay there? Now, when they had to write 100,000, do you know the symbol they chose? It was this one. Looks familiar? It is a mandak.
Frog, sir, frog. Sir, it's a frog.
No.
Frog.
I am not
Sir, it's
able
a
to-
Looks like a frog.
It is a frog, very right. It is a frog.
Sir, a frog with
Yes.
one
And
feet.
it is a symbol of 100,000. It is a symbol of 100,000. And when you had to write 200,000, simply write two frogs. So simple. When you have to write 200,000, put one frog and put one more frog. 200,000. So simple. You want to write 300,000, put one more frog. 300,000. But it must be crazy writing all
What
these
is
and making these
what is
drawings.
the count of each frog? What is the value of each frog?
100,000. This is 100,000. Each frog is 100,000. And when they had to write 10,000, it was a finger like this. They would write it using a finger. You see this? And look, I put some nail paint also here. This is 1,000. Oh, this one 100,000. This is 10,000. One finger is 10,000. 10,000. 10,000 like this. If you have to write 4,000, make four symbols like this. This is 4,000. Now, once the 4,000s were taken care of, this is 10. Huh? Oh, sorry,
Excuse me,
this
sir.
will be 40,000. I'm sorry. This is 10,000.
Excuse
Huh?
me, sir.
So 10,000. Yes, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000,
Excuse me, sir.
50,000. Each is 10,000. Sorry, this
Excuse
you are
me,
right.
sir.
This is each one is 10,000.
Excuse
Now
me, sir.
come to this one. Look here. It is a, they called it a flower. And it represents
Excuse me,
1,000. Yes, it represents 1,000 to them. This
So
one.
that looks like a star.
So if you have to write
Excuse me, sir.
3,000, just make 3 flowers. But this
Excuse
flower
me,
is not
sir.
pretty. To me,
Excuse
it
me,
looks
sir.
like, you know, in Pac-Man, there used to be a devil. In the game, there is a devil comes,
So that looks like
but it doesn't look flower from any angle to me. So this is 3,000. You want 4,000, it is 4,000 now. That way. Once
Sir?
it is done, now it is the question: how did they
Excuse me,
write?
sir.
Yes, I can't hear it.
Sir, I
Voice is very low this time.
Get these figures at that time.
Check, my voice is very low. I'm not able to hear.
Sir, try increasing your volume to full maybe then
I will check the
of your
one
device.
as the speaker. I'm not able to-
Sir, I'll type it in the chat.
So are you able to listen to me clearly? Is it possible? Is it okay?
Yeah, we can hear. We can hear, sir.
Yes. When someone asks
Now,
a question, they have to
yes, what is your question? Okay, thank you, thank you. You can hear that is. I made these models myself. I have a 3D printer,
Excuse me, sir.
so I print
Excuse
all
me,
these. So they are
Sir?
not selling it
Excuse me,
commercially
sir?
anywhere. I looked everywhere, nobody sells it, so I thought of making it myself. Because unless you can hold this in your hand, you won't know. I could print it also, but I thought making it is better. Now, when you say, when you had to write 100, see, 1,000 is this one?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Yes, yes, please.
Sir, my question is, how did they get those figures in that time?
That is their own imagination. What they wanted, which figure to represent what, it is their own imagination. that time what was important to them, they chose. You know, maybe the frog was important to them in some way. So we really don't know what was the logic behind choosing each figure to represent it. Like they choose finger to represent 10,000. Why not one? That is a, you know, historians are better people who can answer this. The time prevailing at that particular culture, what were their priorities, what they viewed like this. But we can only understand what they use. Why they use, probably historians are better people to answer it. And here for 100, they use this. One is 100. This one. 100, 200, 300, 400, and this is 100, they say. And when they needed 10, they used this kind of a thing, this one is 10. They would represent 20 like this, then 30, 40, 50, 60. This one was 10 for them. Now, but where is the one? They still needed one. So what they would use?
A stick.
Simple, like the one that we use, they use the same one, like this. Straight. A straight line, it represented one. So when they wanted to write 2, they would write 2 like this. 1, and they would write 2, then 3.
Could you show the one that is represented 10 again?
Tell me.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, but how would they like say? How would they say 1 billion? That is the highest is only 1 million.
That we will do now. We will make numbers using these characters one by one, and we will make numbers. Like we will make 20, we will make 10, we will make 21, 100, like that. We will make it now. 1 minute, we will make it.
So your internet's unstable. I couldn't hear you, sir.
1
I
minute,
can
we
hear
will
you.
make.
I can hear him clearly. So your internet is fine.
No, your internet is fine. I can hear you.
Okay, thank you. What we will do is, see, this is the basic chart, like.
Sir, it's too
See,
close to
here-
the camera.
1 minute, I can't see my own screen.
Clear. Unclear.
Sir,
See,
it's all
this
clear.
is 100,000. This is 1,000. 1,000 is a mil. It's a million. Then 100,000 is a tadpole or a frog. 10,000 is a finger. 1,000 is a flower. Then the 100 is like this, and 100 is like a spiral. 10 is a U. Then 111. The same way. If they needed to write 1, they simply 1 line, 2
1
lines. Like here 1, they will write 1, and they would put 2 here, and it will become 2 like this.
Okay,
Then
sir. Thank you.
10, 100. Okay, so we make some numbers here, and then that would make it little easier for us to understand. I'll bring the camera further down, closer to the. Okay, so here what we do is, look, if we had to make it like this, when they have to make it 1, they simply wrote 1 here. When they had to make 2, they make 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5, 3 and 2. Romans were better here because they developed V for 5, but they continue to use
So what
5
is the
only. See,
reason?
5.
Why can't in 5 they can one they just draw like 4 is written and then add 1 more stick. Why 3 on the up and 2 at the bottom?
Yes, That basically every culture developed their own way at their own pace. Some cultures were, influenced by others, but they did not use anything like, in place of 5, they could cross it, right? So this is how they ended up using it. 6, it is same, 7 is same, 8 is, see, four groups like this. I read somewhere that they use bundles like this to place directly. Instead of 1, 1, they would place a bundle like this. They would place it, and that is all. Now, when they have to write 10, they would put when they write 10, they would write 10 here, like this. Okay, when they have to write 20, they would make 10 and one more 10. It is 20. If they have to write 21, they would write 21. When they have to write 22, they would add one more here.
So same for,
If-
sir, if you have to write the number 15, we will write
No,
U
10.
and then 5 into 6.
Yes, 10 and one more 5. They will add 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. They had no understanding of place value. They would write 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. They had no understanding of 0. They had no understanding of a place value holder, placeholder for this. So this 5 cannot come here. Even if it is 5 here, 5, there are different symbols for it. So up to 9, they will go with this. Then 10, they have a different symbol. In our case, the 1 becomes 10. In our case, the 1 becomes 100. The same 1 becomes 1,000, a million, a billion, anything. But this they could never understand. So this is why they had all these huge numbers. So this is 6, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. If they have to write bigger numbers, like you see,
So what is 1,000, sir?
1,000 here is this one. 1,000 is a flower. $1,000 is a flower. And the total, I will put it in the here, you see. 1,000 is a flower, 10,000 is a finger, then frog, and a man with raised hands as if his million got away. Or maybe he is praying the God for giving him a million. I don't know. 10, 100, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And see here how they make. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is easy. Now 100, then
So
put
what-
it like this to 200.
So what is 100,000?
No, 100,000 they have straight away God figure like this. 100,000 is like this, straight away. This is 100,000. 100,000 is a million, right? So it is 1. Don't have to keep so many.
The 1,000 is 1,000.
1,000 is this one, flower. Here. Like here you see 1,000. 1,000, 1 flower. 2,000, 2 flower. 3,000, 3 flowers. 4,000, 4 flowers. 5,000, 5 flowers. That's all. And hundreds, they have this one, like this. Like this. 100. 101 is spiral. 200.
1,000.
1,000, 2,000. Put 2 flowers, they become 2,000. See here, 2,000. 3,000. One is 100. If I put one more, here you see, 200. When we make 300, make 300. This is 300 now. So they don't have a place value. Note here, we can make our 3 3, we can make our 3 30, we can make our 3 300, 3,000, 30,000, 3 million. But here they say they keep and using the same symbol. This was their problem. So they did not have any value for placeholder. So this is why they ended up using each symbol one by one like that. This is 300. Now where they want to write 301,
100,000. Can you show
100,000 is, yeah, 100,000 is this one here. Frog, 100,000. Frog is 100,000. So if somebody has to give 100,000, 300 and 1, so this is what it is. 100,000, 300 and 1. If he has to give 101,000, say 1,000. Oh, it is pretty easy, in fact. No, see 100,000, 101,000, 301, simple. If I want to make it 11, here, 11, 100,000, 101,000, 300. Now this is what? 10, 11. So what you can do on, you can print this. I will send you in on a WhatsApp anyway, but you can look them up on internet. They are everywhere.
Sir,
Maybe you can, yeah, take it, make it out of cardboards. Is it possible? Like you can print it on a cardboard? You can make it in
So
a
we can
cardboard
draw it
and
on a
then,
cardboard and then cut it out and paint it.
yes, you are very right. Or there is a sheet which is one side it has a glue. But
sir, can you show 1,000?
1,000 is this is a very interesting figure. 1,000 is this one here. 1,000 means 1 million, right? Or 10 lakhs in India we will call it. It is called a God figure also. It appears many places. Even in Egyptian, you know, the letters A, B, C, D, it was like animals. I have printed some, I will print more. You know, like A, B, C, D, we write alphabets, it is like this. Here.
Sir, I have a book with the letters A to Z.
Yes.
Sir,
it is.
what do you call from D?
But there is no point remembering all this. But you know, the people who go out,
Sir, then what does the sign for a billion?
look up all these characters because they appear on pyramid, they appear on ancient textbooks, ancient buildings. So they have to interpret what is the meaning of this sign, or maybe this sign, or maybe there is a fish, maybe there is a lizard, there is something else. There are so many characters. It is just for interest, it doesn't serve any practical purpose, but it is often said that we have to learn about history. To learn about the future, learn your history. So I think this is interesting. We should learn about history. And this, you know, learning about ancient language is just one step. You know, when we see they were using for 100, if they had to give 500,000 to somebody, you know, 5 million, they would write 5 figures like this, 3 million. But in our case, we will just put another one. You know, in place of 10, we can make the same one 10, same one we can make 100, same one we can make 1 million. That is the beauty of placeholder. And we understand the beauty of something by knowing what we were missing, right? The Egyptians were missing the place value system. And now we have it. So we can appreciate how beautiful this place value system is. You know, the same 3, becomes 3, the same 3 becomes 30, the same 3 becomes 300, the same 3 becomes 3 billion. But those poor Egyptians, see, they will have to, if we try drawing this figure by hand, I think it will take me half an hour to draw it. And if I have to write 3 billion, I would rather give up. And here we write just 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, and job is done. So those poor Egyptians had a difficult life when it came to numeral system. But they were brilliant engineers. They were brilliant mathematicians. They were brilliant geometers. Look at the pyramids that they built, and the kind of geometry that has gone into it is still bewildering. People are still doing PhD on their pyramids. They are not fully understood yet. They were very advanced, but as far as their this number system goes, this is their number system. It is not very complex. You can easily figure it. And as I say, my job is only to show you light. And now you know about it. Internet is wide open. And I know without saying you would be hunting internet for all kind of Egyptian stuff. And you will find much more information that I can do. So go out hunting, look for Egyptian, not only numerals, but their alphabets are very interesting. Just look at their alphabets. You see, one of the alphabet is like this. One of the alphabet is the fish. One of the alphabet is like, I don't know, so many alphabets. One is a lizard, one is a fish, half-cooked fish, half-cut fish, limbs, legs, shoes, I don't know. Beautiful. I will print all of this just to decorate my wall. That's what I'm going to do. And you just print this up and see how beautiful it looks. The Egyptians had a very beautiful, very rich culture. And this brings us close to it. So this is, I think it is all for today. And if you have any questions, tell me, or you can write to me in WhatsApp and we will take it up further from there. I have the same thing in Roman numerals and Greek numerals. I'll show you one thing. In Romans, Roman numeral, I have this one all printed up for Romans. Like we can take a class for Roman numerals. This I have printed for Roman numerals, all sort of dices that you can make, we can use it for making numbers. This you can create yourself also. Then I have Greek numerals. I love Greek numerals. They are so interesting. You see how beautiful it is. So the ancient culture.
So what is that?
You see, there has to be a complete class for this.
I didn't
see this one. Everybody would know. I think.
like this, sir.
Sir, I only
This is
recognize
pi.
pi.
Yes, and this is even beautiful pi. And then I wonder if somebody can recognize
There's
this one.
Roman numbers in Egypt. Sigma.
Egypt and Greece are very close. They are not very far, and they influence each other's culture. This one, it is. You have seen. Yeah,
That's
it is
Omega. Omega.
yes.
सर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आपने भी दिखाया था ना इलेक्ट्रॉनिक को ओम्स कहते हैं
Yes,
तो उनका
this is
रजिस्टर है
यही फर्क होता
और
है.
मुझे भी because I am also
Because
interested in
you are
electronics
understanding
only.
it from our beautiful
Yes,
home.
yes,
Without
यही
this,
वाला
nothing
यही वाला
works.
और यही हमारा ओम का सिंबल है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स
See,
में
There are so many. So I have the whole bundle ready. We will take a Greek class one day. So we will make, and in Greek, there is a one thing very beautiful. They use numbers and alphabet, same way. Like you have your name, it can be written directly in numerals. Your name, it can be written directly as numerals, and numerals can be converted directly to alphabets. This is the beauty of Greek system. Greek way of writing is very
numerals
Yeah.
there.
it is interesting. We will take another class and we will take up this one there, Roman system and Greek system. Greeks did a lot of mathematics, and we owe a lot to them. All our scientific, symbols, most of them are borrowed from Greek. And Greek, in fact, came from Latin. So Latin and Greek characters, sigma, ohm, all this, they mainly come from Greek, these symbols. And a lot of scientific notations, they all come from Greek. So we will do it one by one. Once you see the characters, there will be something like Burgess was saying after seeing the omega, it is a home sign for resistance. Like that, everybody has a story. Everybody has something to do. So this is for the future. We have many things tied up. We will do it one by one. This Egyptian is just one of the classes, and you can print it and play with it. And if you have any, I will give you one. If you have, I will send you. I'm sending you one message. Can I send to everyone from here? 1 minute, chat. I am sending one link to everyone. Please check this link in your in this any web browser. When you check it, there you will see a calculator. You see there? Are you able to open it? Should I share my screen? Then we will close the session for today. If you can open it in another window,
Share
check
your
your chat
screen,
message.
please, sir.
Check your chat message. There is a link there.
The link is there.
सर मैंने
You see?
मैंने वो लिंक खोल भी लिया
Open it in another window.
क्या है ये
It is a calculator. You write your birth date
ओ
here
भाई
and it
साहब
will convert
ओ
to
भाई साहब ओ भाई साहब ओ भाई साहब ओ भाई ओ भाई साहब
Okay, I will show you here. Can you see here my screen?
यस
See
सर
here. Here you write
हाँ
1,
सर
2,
सर हमारा
3,
भी यही
4,
खुलता है
5. Okay, it is 12,345. And you see here you see, this is how it is written in Greek. 1 frog, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers, 3 flowers. You can write any number and convert it to Egyptian numbers. You see, it is a calculator. Not a calculator, it is a converter. Now we write 2021 here, 2021. Okay, calculate. So here it is. Let us make 2021. It is 20. ये लो 20 ले लो 2000 दे दिए मैंने आपको. This is 2000 and we need 2 tens. This is 1 10 and this is 1 more 10 and we need 1 more. ये लो भैया 1 और आ गया. हो गया 2021. This is 1. This is 20 and these 2 flowers here. So if you see the picture here, you see here number with Egyptian.
सर
Yes.
मैंने आपको सर्च करा 1
Have fun with this number.
बस वो निकला था एक
Okay. So you can continue to have fun with the Egyptian numerals and then go visit Egypt one day. And when you go to Egypt, go via Dubai and we will meet you. Yes, because from India, if you are going to Egypt, you will go via Dubai only. And when you go via Dubai, come and meet us.
numbers.
Huh?
Today I will make Egyptian numbers.
Yes, yes. Make, and I have given you the calculator. You convert any number you like to this Egyptian format. I will post it in the WhatsApp also. Okay. So should we call it? Should we close the session? Everybody, anybody has a question or any
No,
suggestion what to do?
No
Okay.
question,
So we will close it for today, and we will see you next time.
Bye, sir.
Have fun
Bye,
and plan a visit to Egypt.
Bye, Shashwat.
Bye. And when you go to Egypt, come here.
Bye,
We will
sir.
meet you.
Bye, Shashwat.
And we will not do any mathematics. We will go and roam around here, there, everywhere, but we will not do any work. We will only play.
Oh yes.
Okay, bye, bye. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.